How I changed my Fortuner Breaklight the cheapest way. Don't be fooled. Save money. Subscribe now and leave a like. Many car owners usually go to car dealers and repair shops for their car maintenance jobs. Me, I go to the gas station for the periodic car maintenance where I save a lot of money. Why? Because gas station usually charge a lot less in labor and materials. I can even buy my own spare parts. Auto supply are usually adjacent to repair shops and gas stations, so it's very convenient to buy spare parts from them at much cheaper price. If you're a regular customer, they will be very honest in the quality of the spare parts we need to buy. My two brake lights are busted, so I'm going to get an electrician in the gas station to fix this. I have been going to a gas station for repair since I started to have a car. I learned this through a company driver where I used to work with. He brought my car to the station for cleaning and tune-up. No need for me to spend time for periodic maintenance. I just give him a small token. What I like best when I go to station for repair is that their service is fast and I can choose the materials to be used in my car. I can also see how they repair my car and the quality of their work. Unlike in a car dealers that you are not allowed to see how they repair our cars. I can also talk to the mechanic and learn how and see how they repair the car and why they do it. For a cheap price, I got a free seminar.
No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise.
It is difficult to remove the car lens assembly. Observe how the electrician removed the light assembly by pushing it away very carefully to avoid breakage. Proper enough force only. He said that the brake light assembly costs 15,000 pesos or $300 each. So it is 30,000 for the two sets or $600. At that price, I will not risk of doing it myself and breaking the lens of my brake light. I will just let the electrician do it for me, saving time and money. At the end of the video, you will be surprised how much I paid to the gas station for replacing the two bulbs of my brake light.
Only one step. I'm dreaming of a future that
This is the receipt I paid to the gas station. Total I paid is 270 pesos or 6 US dollars for 2 brake lights and labor. I gave a tip of 100 pesos to the electrician. Still very cheap, and I got a fast service which took only about 20 minutes.